Alright guys, check it out. HSP XSTR Pro Brushless 1/10 buggy. Check it out guys. I put the Bandito tires on this thing. This thing is pretty sick. I even got some lights on it. Check out that night run. This is pretty much the clone of the Redcat Tornado EPX Pro. One of my favorite buggies of all time. Alright guys, let's run this thing. Alright guys, let's do it. Okay. Look how those Banditos hug the road, man. Great brand, affordable. Stock tires are pretty good, but we're on road. These Banditos are way better. Alright guys, HSP XSTR Pro. Brushless 1/10. Bandito tires on this thing. See you guys on the next video. Later.